The Mini 3 came for on-site repair and several small details were damaged overnight. One was the fuselage, another was the power switch that also broke, and the GPS board was broken too. The repair quotation was completed and the repair began. For this kind of Mini, changing the fuselage is especially troublesome as it needs to be completely disassembled. The battery is very difficult to remove, and there is also a tiny one that's particularly hard to take out, plus a visual and a light ribbon cable to be detached. Remove this antenna, then remove the battery board. All the hardware issues have been resolved, only a small switch needs to be soldered, then it will be fine, no problem. Okay, the battlefield lights are on, the battlefield class is over. For mini drones like this, if the propeller blades are damaged, they must be replaced, otherwise it will be unbalanced and the thrust will be poor. It is essential to use original factory propellers. If damage is slight, it's somewhat acceptable, but if more serious, it's not allowed because the Mini is too small. All done, perfectly repaired, went out for a test flight, no issues with takeoff. Thank you.